Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to copy all contact book from phone to your SIM card. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your contact book on your phone. So I'm going to simply click on my contact book right here. Then all the contact is going to be right here. As you can see right here, as at the time of making this video, I have 2000 plus contacts on this phone. Now, for you to copy all the contact from phone to your SIM card, what you need to do is you simply click on the setting icon from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on import/export contacts. It's going to take you right here. Now, import contact. What you need to do here is to simply click on phone contacts. Then right here, you'll be told which of the SIM that you want to copy the contact to. So you can decide to copy the contact to SIM 1 or SIM 2. Everything depends on your choice. It has SIM. So basically, this is how to simply copy contact book from your phone to your SIM card. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.